Kratos Defense and Security Solutions is at the forefront of integrating artificial intelligence, AI, into the US military's aerial warfare. The defense firm has developed an experimental stealth fighter, named Valkyrie, which is officially designated as XQ-58. This aircraft is an unmanned aerial vehicle, UAV, meaning it operates without an onboard pilot. The broader system that supports and controls this UAV, including its software, ground control stations, and communication systems, is termed an uncrewed aircraft system, UAS. Valkyrie's inaugural unmanned flight took place in 2019. Its most notable achievement recently was in July 2023, when it seamlessly flew in formation alongside other Air Force aircraft. On July 25, 2023, a significant 3-hour mission was executed at the Air Force Research Laboratory situated within the Eglin Test and Training Complex. The United States Air Force Research Laboratory's Public Affairs Office highlighted this event, stating, "This flight marks a culmination of 4 years of collaborative efforts initiated with the Skyborg, Vanguard, and the Autonomous Aircraft Experimentation (AAX) programs." Dr. Terry Wilson, the program manager, emphasized the innovative approach to the project. He mentioned, "The AACO has employed a comprehensive strategy for uncrewed flight testing. This involves harnessing high-performance computing, modeling, simulation, and hardware-in-the-loop testing. The objective is to train an AI agent to proficiently and safely pilot the XQ-58 uncrewed aircraft." In a related development, DARPA, the Defense Advanced Research Projects Agency, has unveiled a 2-year AI Cyber Challenge. This initiative seeks to tap into the expertise of AI specialists to pinpoint and rectify AI vulnerabilities. Additionally, an August press release from the US Department of Defense revealed ongoing tests to harness the potential of generative AI. That concludes our news for today. What do you think of AI being used for military purposes? Let me know in the comments.